The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts powerful suction of 2,200 pascals, making it highly effective at picking up dirt and debris from various surfaces. With its ultra-slim design, this vacuum can easily clean under furniture and tight spaces where dust often accumulates. This robotic vacuum cleaner offers 6 versatile cleaning modes, including zig-zag, random, spot, and wall following, ensuring thorough cleaning of your home. Equipped with advanced anti-collision and anti-fall sensors, the M210 Pro navigates your home efficiently while avoiding obstacles and preventing falls. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner supports multiple control options, including buttons, an app, Alexa, Google Assistant, and a remote, providing convenient operation. Thanks to its auto recharge feature, the M210 Pro can run for up to 120 minutes and will automatically return to its charging station when the battery is low.